We're going to show you dry cleaning, a basic dry cleaning. We're going to go from probably the safest method of cleaning to the most aggressive method of cleaning. But we're also going to start with dry cleaning, and this is going to be probably the least effective at the same time. But I do want to show you, and all you simply need is a trigger sprayer. If you're going to be using solvents in a small confined area, you do want to use, we have our stealth air mover exhausting fumes from the building. You also want to consider a vapor respirator. These are especially important when the customer is over your shoulder asking what you're doing. When you put one of these on, they generally want to leave the room. So this will give you some privacy while you're cleaning. So I'm going to be using the ChemSpec dry fabric cleaner. And we're just going to put some into our trigger sprayer. This is a ready-to-use product. It has everything you need for fabric cleaning. There is a blend of solvents in here that will cut through the petroleum-based oils, body oils. The one thing that dry fabric cleaners are not all that great at is water-soluble soils. So to do this, we're simply going to take a white towel. We vacuumed our piece. We're going to mist this onto our fabric. And I'm just going to do this one section. I want to mist some onto my white towel. And you can see we're starting to pull some soil. We can then take another towel, once we've removed as much soil as possible, and we're going to take a dry white towel and just dry that down.
I think that's a great point, Tim. And one thing that I've always taught is the last thing you do on any type of cleaning of upholstery is that we finish with a clean white towel. You'd actually be amazed how much more soil and actual moisture or solvent that you remove that your regular process didn't get out. So your clean white towels always start out as upholstery towels.